Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy step on how to remove friends on Candy Crush Saga. If you want to delete some of your friends from your account on Candy Crush Saga, then the process is quite easy. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to remove friends from your Candy Crush Saga, then simply go ahead and make sure that you're logged into it. Once you're inside the main homepage of Candy Crush Saga after logging in, go and tap on your profile icon at the top. Tap the Friends tab in order to view your friend list. Select the friend you'd like to delete from the list and tap on Unfriend. Now, select Yes from the pop-up and this will help you remove friend on Candy Crush Saga. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.